Okay, I'm going to show you how to quickly install IrfanView. There's a small setup application that you use. I'll send that to you. Just double click it to open it. Okay, you'll get a little dialog box pop up. In there it'll say where you want to install it. Install it for all users and click on next and next again. The next dialog box you get allows you to select different file types. Again, just click on next and then select users application data folder and click on next. Don't worry about opening the home page, but when you start the application, very simply just starts in a dialog box such as that. Okay, you can just close that at this point. On your desktop you'll also see two additional icons. One's called IrfanView and one's called IrfanView Thumbnails. Get rid of that one, get rid of that application. IrfanView is the application we just saw open. I'm just going to put that to one side. Thumbnails is the one you want to open. Just resize the window. Within Thumbnails you'll see the application is open in thumbnail view. Just navigate down to the public folder. You'll find it in the local disk. Users, your name of course, and then in there you'll see the Dropbox Moonkids Dropbox folder. Select the team folder and then you'll see the public folder within that nest of folders and double click on that. Once you double click on it you'll see the standard folder arrangement which we've set up. Clicking on Design Service shows you the thumbnails of those images, furniture, playhouses and the like. Two options with the nested folders. You can either select them individually, or if you want to go into the parent folder and just view the whole lot, just right click and select Load Thumbs from all subfolders. Do it on the projects one there and you can see it just loads all the images that are nested down in those subfolders. Now I'll put those folders into subfolders so that we can easily manage it because we're managing it across multiple appliances and multiple operating systems, so it's the most standard form factor we can use, and if we can just keep it in the same format. Various different views. If we look on the view menu, we've got the thumbnail view which we're looking at the moment. We can do a tile view which gives us a little bit more image information. Detailed view allows us to order it and just see what's in there. Standard list view, so we can just see all the files. Have a navigate around, get yourself familiar with it. If you want to just view an image, if you're with a customer and you just want to view an image, if, for example, we wanted to look at playhouses, we've got our list of playhouses there. Obviously we'll put the product name or product code within each file, and again you just double click on it to open the IrfanView image viewer. I'll just resize that while we're here, and every time you resize that on your screen it will be the size will be maintained. So when you're sat with a customer, you should just see the screen, the image on the screen, and of course you can just flick through. This says hopefully, oh, this seems to be maintained. Let's just go full screen, and you can just flick through your images backwards and forwards as you like, nice and easy. But when you click out of the IrfanView, you go back to the thumbnails page. It just allows you to select different folders and be able to quickly scroll through those. Okay. Any questions? Any problems? Have a play around with it and see if you can get used to it. I'll maintain the Dropbox folder until then. Cheers.